Hi, why should I get FUE Max technique done? I am Doctor Arvind Poswal from Dr. A's Clinic, Delhi, India, and today we will discuss FUE Max technique and why it is superior to all the other techniques in FUE. Let's sum up the points. One is high level of safety, one of the highest level of safety in FUE. Maximum density possibility with FUE. No cobblestoning, maximum natural results, and maximum care of the roots and also the stem cells in those roots. So these are the benefits of FUE Max technique. We'll go over them one by one. First, let's talk safety. See, in FUE Max technique, we make sure that we take care only from your permanent donor area. And permanent donor area is a very small part of the head, that is this part. This hair is not permanent donor hair. This hair is not going to last forever. So if we take grafts from the non-permanent area, then you will see them going away or you will lose them after a few years. Like what happened with a famous Indian cricketer who went to a company and then they took out hair from the non-permanent area also, and after a few years those hair fell off. So that was not fault of the hair transplant surgery, that was fault of the person who took out hair from the non-safe area. So unlike other techniques, we will always restrict ourselves to the safe area, and the safe area for taking out donor hair so that they grow on your head for rest of your life is that part of the scalp where everyone in your family has hair. That is the simplest definition, right? So we'll take hair only from this part, which is the safe donor area, and that way the hair will keep on growing. Apart from the head, we'll take from the beard and body. Those hair of course are permanent. You don't see people getting bald from their beard. So we'll always use permanent hair, and that is how we get a safe hair transplant. Second is density. See, unlike robotic hair transplant or other methods, in FUE Max technique, we have the option, we have the choice. We can choose which grafts we will take out, 1 hair graft, 2 hair graft or 3 hair graft. And I always go for multi-hair grafts, so that except for the hairline where you need single hair in front, rest all places you should have maximum number of multi-hair grafts so you get more density. Now, if you go for 3000 grafts, you get at least 6000 hair follicles, maybe 6500 also. So that is the benefit of going for FUE Max, so that we can choose the maximum hair per graft also. Then natural results. It should look absolutely natural. You check all the results in my gallery. You meet my patients. The one thing which you will always see, the hair grow, and they grow in such a manner that no one can distinguish them from your own hair. If you can make out that these are transplanted hair, then that is not a good transplant. And one of the major reasons why in FUE Max you do not get cobblestoning is because we do not follow the wrong method. The wrong method is to skip some of the steps. And when do you skip? When you say that we'll take hair direct from here and put it here. That is not the way to do hair transplant. This is not a game. You are supposed to take out the graft. The graft is to be examined under a microscope. There the excess skin on the top of the graft, that skin is not going to grow your hair, but that skin is going to cause cobblestoning. It will cause those tiny points, those bumps on wherever the grafts are placed. So those excess skin has to be removed. If your doctor is trying to give an excuse for not doing a bit of extra work and saying they are putting directly for your benefit, then let me tell you, that is not true. The grafts are stored at 4 degrees centigrade. They are not going to die away in a hurry. Also, once we make sure that we are not directly putting the grafts, we are taking care of them, that time we also take care to nourish the stem cells of your hair roots. using resveratrol. That is also a very important part of this FUE max technique. So apart from safety, density, absolute natural results, no cobblestoning, we also have a personalized feature. Personalized feature is that when you come to me, not only will I ensure that I take only the permanent hair, I'll also ensure that I personalize the transplant as per your wishes. I'm not going to take a gadget and put a light here and say, okay, every patient will get this hairline. Hairline is a work of art. So in FUE Max, we make sure that we personalize it to your face, to your facial structure and to your choice. So that is why I say FUE Max is the best technique which I would do even for myself if required. Let me know if you have any questions. Do remember to share this video with your friends and like it. And subscribe to our channel. I'll be talking on a lot of other topics of interest. Thank you.